Are you ready to be your own boss? Can you imagine having your own online business, to work from anywhere in the world and build the life you've always wanted? If you're serious about building a six-figure online business, you need a roadmap. And that's exactly what our free masterclass will give you. You'll learn everything you need to know to quickly build your dream online business from scratch. How to successfully build your online business with our step-by-step plan. How to use social media platforms to generate passive income. How to attract visitors and convert them into paying customers. How to manage your online business from all over the world. How to scale your business to a six-figure empire. We'll also show you some secret growth hacks and tools that will accelerate your success enormously. Don't miss this opportunity to change your life and build the business of your dreams. Register for our free masterclass coaching now. Click the link below the video to get your dream business started.